Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 1110, that's delete nodes and return. We have to return the first, and when we run this, we'll be given the root of a binary tree. Each node in the tree will be having a distinct value, and after deleting all the nodes with the value and to delete, we are left with a forest disjoint union of trees, and we have to return the roots of the trees in the remaining forest, and we can return the result in any order. For example, we are having the this particular tree 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we have to delete the nodes 3 and 5. Okay, so firstly we know that every node will be having a unique value, so we don't have to worry much about like if the same number is present again in the right subtree or something like that. Then we have to delete 3, so we'll do delete 3, and then we'll add both of its child into our answer list. And from here, if we delete 5, it does not make any effect on the answer list. We'll just append 1, so that is marked the and 2 and 4 will still be connected. Okay, so for this we to not traverse in the to delete area again and again, we'll be using a set, and we'll be adding these values to the set. So for set of integer integer what I'll be doing is, let's call set that is equal to new hash set. Now also let's declare our answer list here only. List of tree node is the return type. Answer that is equal to new array list. Okay, now what we'll be doing is that for int and let's say num and 2 underscore delete, we'll be doing a set dot add that particular number. Okay, and then we'll be calling a dfs function, or let's say we will be calling like we'll be updating the root, because it might be a chance that we are having the same number in to delete as well. Okay, so we'll be doing a find root. Let's call it, instead of find, let's call it dfs root. Okay, and then what after this we'll be saying that if my root is not equal to null, I'll have to add this as well to the answer list, answer dot add root, and at the end we'll return answer. Okay, now let's quickly write this dfs function. This is going to be a private void dfs tree node root, and we'll be saying that if root becomes null at certain point, we'll be returning it, a returning function basically. Then we'll be, for the updating for the root dot left, will be equal to dfs with the root dot left. Similarly for the root dot right, okay, root dot right. Okay, then at the point we'll be checking that if my set dot contains the value of the root. In that case, what I'll be checking is that if root dot left is not equal to null, I'll be adding that to the answer list, answer dot add root dot root dot left. Similarly, I'll be checking for on right also. If root dot right is not equal to null, I'll be adding that as well, and then I'll be making my root equal to null. Okay, means we have basically deleted 2, and at the end I'll just, oh okay, sorry, we'll have to return a tree node because we are updating the left as well, return null, and at the end we'll return the updated node root, return root. Okay, now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, yeah, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so and works well fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.